Hi, I wanted to personally invite you to my upcoming month-long challenge, the Reels Challenge. And the reason I named it the Reels Challenge is because Reels are challenging for people. They're challenging for me. Reels are short form video landing on Facebook, Instagram, and also TikTok, really. It's all the same stuff. Short, less than 30 seconds, optimally less than 8 seconds long, eye-catching, scroll-stopping, usually a little bit entertaining, and also drive people to your social media feeds and to your websites and really encourage them to take the next step with you. I'm excited. We're going to be working together for a full month. It's going to be absolutely flexible and learn at your own pace because I am a busy business owner and I know you are too. So grab the recordings when you have a second, do the homework when it's convenient for you, skip some things if it's just not your thing. But the more you participate, the more you'll learn and the more you will benefit. I know so many small businesses are stuck in that cycle of only getting 100 or 200 at most views on their reels. But there's so much more opportunity than that, especially in Instagram. We can be getting thousands of views on each of our videos if we just add a couple more pieces to the puzzle, a couple more tools in our toolbox, so to speak. I have been researching those tips and tools over the last month or so, and I'm so excited to share those with you. So please click the button below and join me in the Reels Challenge starting November 4th for only 20 bucks. And if you're a current social media client, you get a discount. Message me for your coupon code.